To set up your wallet, select the downloaded TronLink extension in the top right corner. TronLink supports a number of login options. You can create a new wallet, import an existing one, or pair it with a hardware ledger. Let's create a new wallet. Here you can choose the wallet name and set up the password. After choosing the desired name and creating a password, continue by clicking the Create Wallet button. Now you have successfully created an account. Let's back up the wallet with mnemonic phrase. Enter your registered password. Carefully read the instructions and continue by pressing the backup button. Prepare a convenient and safe way to store the mnemonic phrase. As this is a tutorial, you will now see the phrase on the screen. However, remember, save your personal mnemonic phrase discreetly and securely, as it is the main access protection key for the assets stored on your wallet. Complete the verification process by selecting the right word at the corresponding place of your personal mnemonic phrase. You have now successfully created and set up your personal TronLink wallet. In the next step, you will see how to manage your assets in the wallet, as well as how to withdraw and deposit them.